What's going on YouTube? So I just got this on Amazon. I opened it up. What I like about it is the fact that this is like light pretty much I gotta install. What I like about it is that you could put either a cigarette light or you could put like a USB port. You can choose the option, whatever you want to connect it to. I'm gonna go with USB port, but the thing is I gotta run these, I think it's 16 feet long, but I gotta run these like, I'm gonna try to run them through here. If not, I just want like, you know, I just want to run it from the corner edge and go all the way around to the edge over there. And I'll give it a shot, see if I could do it, and let you know how it looks. Guys, so I'm really loving this so far. As you can see, honestly, I kind of put my steering wheel down so I can get in there. I'm loving this so far. It's gonna go all the way to the end, and I'm gonna try to bring it down. I'm gonna see if I could stick it under here somehow and bring it up here, because it was really hard to put it like on the side here. If you want to do it on the side, it's really tough. So it's better, I mean, I don't want too much lighting anyway, so I just want it in the front mostly, and that will be it. It's gonna look really nice. It looks amazing already like that. But let me finish and get back to you guys. So check this out. It's all gone through over there. I just gotta tuck it in good and fix this area, of course, still not tucked in properly. But I just kind of lined it up to show you guys. Here we go. Check this out. This is crazy. And it's not even like fully dark outside yet. This looks amazing. Look at that. What? I love it. Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, the link in the description, guys. If you want one, they got many colors. I got the red one, because I got stage 2 and I got red in the bottom. I could change it any color, but they got all colors. Yeah, that's nice. Alright fam, so it's finally done. Check this out. This looks awesome. Remember, like I said, the link is in the description below, and they got many different colors. And I was able to do it. Came out perfect. So comment below. I actually started from the bottom here, and I went all the way on top and curved and all the way around, and then right underneath. And I did a USB because I'm already using like 2 cigarette lights up there for my radar and my dash cam, and then the one for the lighting in the bottom. But that's how it looks from outside. And let me go in the back seat. I really love it. It actually adds a lot of style and that luxury look. See, that's how it looks. It's a must buy for sure, guys. Whoever has this car, it's a must buy. This is perfect. Alright, thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting the channel. Stay tuned.